Audio CD 2, Track 37, Unit 3. It's our anniversary. A customer is shopping in a boutique at a hotel. Good morning, sir. Can I help you with anything?
Yes, my wife was in the store this morning looking at some accessories. I thought I'd surprise her with something.
Is it a special occasion, sir?
Well, we were married at this hotel 10 years ago. We're celebrating our anniversary, you see.
Ah, yes, I know who your wife is. She told me the same thing.
Great. Was she looking at anything in particular?
She did some browsing, but she seemed especially interested in our limited edition watch collection.
Really? Perhaps you could show me a few pieces?
Of course, any of these pieces would make a beautiful gift.
These his and her matching watches are nice. Do they come as a set, or do you sell them separately?
They're sold together, and each piece comes with a 2-year warranty.
Perfect. She'll love them.